Most people think you need to go viral to make money on YouTube. This video got 200 views and paid me $180, about 30 minutes of work, on a channel with under 1,000 subscribers. The views were never the point, the right viewers are. I'm going to show you the exact method you can run from home 1 hour a day without quitting your job. So here's the truth. About half of US workers don't like their current job. That's just the facts, right? You've heard of it. It's even higher than that, depending on what poll you're looking at. If that's you, this is your way out. Here's the problem. Most jobs do not let you earn more on command. You wait for a yearly review with your boss, right? And get about 1 to 3% per year. After inflation, real wages grew about 0.1% last year, so a normal raise barely keeps you even. You never really get ahead. A side income you control is the thing that changes that. The car, the vacation, the breathing room. Everybody chasing YouTube money is chasing views. That is the wrong target. I would rather have 40 people who are searching to buy a tool or product than 4,000 random people who never click anything. Targeted traffic is people who already want the product. They just need someone honest to show it to them. When I started, my review videos got dozens of views, not thousands. Then the commissions started landing in my inbox. That is when I knew I had something real. The 200 view video that paid $180 is not a fluke. That is what targeted traffic looks like. And here's why affiliate marketing on YouTube is the easiest way in. No product, it already exists. You just tell people about it. Built-in traffic, people come to YouTube to research tools before they buy. Simple videos, a screen recording, and a clear walkthrough. No fancy editing or scripting. The methods start with focus. Pick one lane and go narrow. It could be SEO tools, productivity apps, email software, or vibe coding tools. Just pick one category. Review inside that lane again and again. You build a small audience that comes back for your next review. Now, the part that most people get wrong, choose products by quality, not by the biggest commission. A great product at 20% will outsell a junk product at 50% commission, right? So you make the same or more and you keep your audience's trust. Chase the high payout on bad products and your audience will leave. Then show up daily, one simple video a day. An hour or less is all that's required. The videos compound, the traffic compounds, the commissions compound. That is the whole engine. Two objections always come up. First, a few dozen views cannot make money. That is the old belief. Random views do not convert. Targeted views do, because those people are ready to buy. Second, won't I make more publishing the high commission stuff? Short term, maybe. Then your audience leaves and the income dies. Trust is the asset. So you do not need to go viral, quit your job, or build a product. Pick a lane, review good tools honestly, post one video a day, and let it compound. The people who win at this show up daily and stay honest, not the ones chasing views. If you want the next step, here it is. Watch the video I have linked where I show you how to pick your first niche, or grab the free guide in the description, subscribe, and I will walk you through the whole method. All right, so if you stuck with me this long in the video, then you are definitely interested in this stuff. And let me show you the proof because that's what I always do on my channel, right? So I'm going to show you the video, the tiny channel, and put this all to practical use where you can actually see this in real time. And I lead off, I'm in the trenches on a daily basis with affiliate marketing. And I'm leading off by example and telling the truth. This is not theory. I'm not, out here blowing smoke and teaching you things that actually don't work or things that I don't do myself. So this is a little tiny channel that I don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet. Digital Marketing David right here. You can see, I mean, it literally to get, hardly any views. until I post a video on it. See, it just gets a little bit of views, and then I post a video, boom, it shoots up to 250 views right there, right? And still getting views right now. So I hadn't even posted on this in about a month. So we'll come down here, you can look at videos and you can see the videos right here, boom, boom, boom. So I kind of did a campaign right here, but this video importantly, right, look, 200 views right here, 217 views at the time of recording this. It was 6 days ago. So no paid traffic, no nothing, just posted this product review, Caboodle review right here. Simple way to start affiliate marketing, okay? So I post that. You also go over to YouTube and you type in Caboodle review. This is what's going to end up happening, guys. So people are going to go out, this product launches, and a bunch of affiliates that are promoting this product are going to go out and email their subscriber list, right? Email marketing. Yes, 2026 still a big deal. So they're going to go out and email their list about this new product called Caboodle that just came out. And what ends up happening is that a lot of them, lazy internet marketers, lazy affiliate marketers, they don't go out and do the extra mile like I do. They don't do the review video, right? The review video is where it's at. Yes, some people will buy from just the email itself, click on the button and go. But a lot of people that are smart, that want more details if this is the right product, they're going to rely on people like myself and hopefully like you in the future if you want to follow along and get into this business as a side hustle. They will go to YouTube, like right over here, and they'll type this in, right? Caboodle review. And where do I rank? Yours truly, number 2 right here. People found my review. They see that I'm a real person. You can tell when you hover over this that this is a real person. There's going to be a difference. This is a real person too. But when you go in here, I believe that these are AI generated videos right here. This person, don't know who this is. Something Fox Studio. This with 200,000 subscribers. This is flat out AI that only got 15 views. From 200,000 subscribers, right? Just kind of use your common sense, right? This was a purchased channel. They're even using free. Look at this. Look at this markup here, that logo. This is AI. There's no way this person, and then look, it's not even the person on the thumbnail. Look at the thumbnail. If that was you and you actually were proud to make a review video, do you think that you would at least put your image on the thumbnail, right? See, there's the guy. That's me. And then there's me on the thumbnail. Look, this is Sylvia. She is right there as a real person, and she's also on the thumbnail. So you come down here, that's not that person, right? Then you come through here, this also right over here. There is this gentleman right here, and then you hover over, and then there's a lady that is presenting the video. That's AI. Look at this Wii video, and this is Fox Studio. They're 200,000 subscribers. So this is the exact same right here. They're not making money. They're not showing up on leaderboards. There's contests for this stuff. They're not making sales. So this is just a complete waste of time. Okay. Now you have Depapa. That's a real person, right? So you want to be one of these real people you want to create, but look at all the competition. Look at all the videos that come out right here. There's another video that I did right there as well. Now, what people do is they come over here and they want to find real people to talk to. This one up here ranked number 1, like it's only ranked. He's got, some things that he did to rank this at the top or whatever, but he didn't make any sales. He's not on the leaderboard. A 4-minute video is just not going to cut it. It's not going to get the job done either. Okay. So do this, I welcome you to go and check out my channel and watch some of my videos, how I do things. It's unscripted. I just record myself. You don't have to be on camera, by the way. You can just record your screen. And that is how I got started. Probably did over 1,000, 1,500 videos before I even decided to get a webcam. Okay. So that's how you do it. Then people click on the video, they watch the video, they click on your link right here, literally your affiliate link right here. And then they go over and you make sales. And I'll just show you just to lead off with proof. I'll go log in right in front of you live into my Warrior Plus account right here. I'll go over here to affiliate and I'll go over here to stats. And then what I'll do is I'll come over here and I'll go last 7 days and we will see Caboodle will show up. The sales that I made for Caboodle will show up, that product right here. It's the top product for the week. Actually, so it was a little more than a week ago. So I actually need to go in the last 30 days right here. So you'll actually get to see more products right here. We'll come down here and you'll see Caboodle right here. So there is the almost $200. So there's the $180 right there, $183.89. So $180 from 200 views on the video, right? 61 people clicked on the affiliate link, 10 sales, 16% conversion rate right there. So every time someone clicked on my link, I made $3, right? And every time someone bought something, I made an average of $18.39. So 180 bucks for 30 minutes less of work, 200 views on the video right here. If that's not proof that this actually works with 1,000 subscribers, I don't know how else I can, drive this home for you that you can start doing this. And it doesn't have to be in the make money online niche. Like I'm over here with Warrior Plus, JVZoo, all that kind of stuff. Doesn't have to be in that. You can literally pick a software or pick a product or pick a course that you like and go into to a certain niche and start building a YouTube channel and content around that, and then bake in the affiliate product that you want to sell, and it will work like gangbusters.